Welcome to my channel Unique Touch by Neetu. Today I have come with a baby shark theme cake, its tutorial and a dessert table setting which I have set for a little munchkin who loves to have baby shark. So let's see the cake tutorial. First we are going to prepare the baby sharks with gum paste. For that I have taken blue gum paste and roll it out. This is not fondant, this is gum paste. Then I have taken a glass and cut the gum paste into a round shape. Just to avoid sticking the gum paste into the floor, I have just dusted with corn flour. Then I have rolled out. So here we have the round shaped gum paste. Next we are going to cut the top portion and bottom attachments. So for the top portion we are cutting it into a bigger triangle like this. So this is the topmost attachment. Same like that we are cutting the down portions. Downside both we have cut in different directions, not that. Then the tail portion also we have cut out. So it should come like this. Next for the mouth portion I have taken white gum paste and make the gum paste into rounds. Then cut the round from its half portion. So it will look like this. Then shape the sides. Now it's time to cut the teeth portion. So using a knife, in the down portion just cut like a zigzag and top portion it's plain. Or you can use both zigzag. If you refer any blue baby shark pictures, you can see like this. So either you can be plain or zigzag in both directions. Take out the extra pieces and shape the zigzag with your fingers or with the help of a knife like this. This is the final look for the mouth portion. Next is we are going to prepare the eye portion. For that I have taken 2 round, 2 black and 2 small rounds. Just press it down. Now we are going to attach it. Just apply some edible glue. Since I used the brush for taking the blue, the edible glue has come with a little blue. No issues. You attach it, the black portion. On top of it, attach the white portions, the smaller one, by applying edible glue. Then just press it down. I'm using the back side of the brush. So give the shape like this and eyes are ready. Now we are going to attach everything. Apply some edible glue in the round blue portion. Then attach the mouth portion. Just shape it. Now it's time to attach the eye portion. So apply some edible glue and attach it. The other eye also you have to do the same thing. Then attach the side portions and tail portions with edible glue. When you roll the gum paste, you are dusting the gum paste with corn flour. So to get a shiner look, I have just applied a bit of edible glue all over. That's why we get a glaze like this. Next we are going to cut the number 3 and just give some impressions. Now it's time to set the cake. So to the cake board, apply some whipping cream to avoid the sliding of the cakes. This is a Vanjo flavor cake. So I have prepared vanilla and chocolate cakes and cut down into 3 layers. Vanilla flavor cake and chocolate flavor cake recipes are there in my channel. I'll give the link in the description box. Then soak the vanilla layer with the sugar syrup. Apply the whipping cream and spread the whipping cream. Scrape down the sides also. Then keep the second layer as the chocolate one. Soak it with sugar syrup. This sugar syrup I have taken half cup of water and half cup of sugar and melted and cooled down. That's what we are using it now. So soak it and layer it all the layers and with the whipping cream. Now the crumb coat is finished. We are going to start with the final coat. Here I have taken light blue whipping cream in a piping bag and adding it to the cake. Once fully done, just scrape out with a scraper and shape it. Then to the bottom portion, I am just giving a bright blue color shade with the whipping cream and scrape down with that. Now we are going to give a wave effect like this. With the spoon, you can use even the small spatulas. Then just give the design like this. First I have given the design straight. Then I felt throughout the cake, if I give it straight, it will not be that good. So I changed it to another pattern where half of them is some zigzag designs and bottom portion is straight. Now what you are seeing is the full straight. I changed that like this. Top portion, top half I have designed like that, and the bottom portion given the straight ones. So it will give a wave-like impact for the under the sea cake or baby shark cake. Next, the top portion. I'm just applying a bit of whipping cream at the top to give that blue shade and doing the impression like this. In the same way we prepare the wave pattern. Here our all toppers are ready. Here I have prepared some beach theme toppers. All these toppers links are there in the description box. You can check them out. Then I have dusted some biscuit powder to give the sand effect for the cake. Now it's time to assemble everything. This is a beach theme topper. I have the detailed video. I'll give the link in the description box. All these white ones are beach theme toppers. So you can refer that video. Since this is whipping cream, just press it down so it will attach there, or else if you want you can attach them with the melted white chocolate. Keeping the baby shark at the front, we have prepared 2 baby sharks with gum paste, so let it go in the sides. So attach both the baby sharks. This is a photo print baby shark topper. Just attach like this. If you want, you can make this also in gum base. Since I did not get time, I taken photo print. This is number 3. And I have made a happy birthday plate, so that also keeping on that. Then just filling the space with some more beach theme toppers, shells, and the bottom portion also we are adding some more toppers, small toppers from beach theme. This is the final look for the cake. Baby shark, I have taken only the blue baby shark. Even you can use the red one and yellow one. Since I have presented it with the blue theme, I have chosen only the blue baby shark. This was the dessert table setting which I have made for the little baby shark lover. Here we have the cupcakes, popsicles, pops, jelly cups, cake puddings and so on. Our little baby shark lover enjoyed this dessert table. Hope you also enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and support.